Welcome back to our channel, where we provide solutions to common Windows 10 issues. In today's video, we'll guide you through the steps to fix the problem of not being able to click anything on your desktop in Windows 10. So, if you're facing this frustrating issue, let's get started with the solution. Step 1. Right-click on the taskbar located at the bottom of your screen and select Task Manager from the context menu. Step 2. If you see a limited list of tasks in the Task Manager, click on More Details to expand the view and reveal all the available processes. Step 3. In the Task Manager window, click on the Processes tab at the top. Step 4. Now, search for a process called Windows Explorer in the list of running processes. This process is responsible for managing the desktop and File Explorer functionalities. Step 5. Once you locate the Windows Explorer process, right-click on it and select Restart from the context menu. Step 6. After you've restarted the Windows Explorer process, you can close the Task Manager. By following these simple steps, you should now be able to click on the desktop icons and interact with your Windows 10 desktop without any issues. We hope this tutorial was helpful in resolving the problem of not being able to click anything on your Windows 10 desktop. If you found it useful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Windows 10 troubleshooting tips. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.